Imagine your computer can see faces, just like human. In this video, we are going to build a real-time face detection system using Python. You will learn how to use your webcam to detect faces instantly, step by step, even if you're a beginner. By the end of this video, you will have your own AI-powered face detection project running live. So let's get started.
Face detection program, I'm going to use CV2 or OpenCV. So first let's import that. It is going to be CV2. Okay, I already installed this. If you want to install it, this library, just use pip install OpenCV-Python. And then here let's load the pre-trained HAR cascade face detector. So for that I am going to use face cascade. It is going to be equal to cv2 dot, right in here I will just use cascade. Okay, cascade, and then we need to have the classifier, that is the first one. Okay, and in here use cv2 dot data dot cv2 dot data dot, right here just write that HAR cascade. Okay, cascades, and then concatenate this with this file. It is an XML file. Okay, it is already in your computer if you install CV2, so it is the same as this one. So it's HAR cascade underscore front face default. Okay, dot XML. So this is the file that it is pre-trained. Okay, it will detect your faces according to this file. And now let's go get a reference to the webcam. Okay, using its index. So I will use video underscore capture. It is equal to cv2 dot video capture. Okay, right in here give the index. For example, if you give 0, it will capture it, the video from your camera, your laptop camera. If you have other external webcam installed, you can use 1 or 2, so you can try it until you find your camera. Okay, so here I will use while it is true. Then let's capture frame by frame. So I will create read, and then the frame, it is going to be equal to video capture dot read. So it will capture the frame. Okay, frame by frame. Now it is time to convert the frame to some grayscale for face detection. So I will use gray here. So gray is going to be equal to cv2 dot cvt color. Okay, we have that here, and in here just give the frame, and then use cv2 dot color underscore it is gonna be bgr 2. Okay, 2, I think that one is not this one. Okay, 2 gray. Very good. Now that we have this, it is time to detect faces in the frame. So let's go and use the faces. It is equal to face cascade dot detect multiscale. Okay, here let's use gray, and then use scale factor. It is going to be, for example, right now 1.1, and then use main neighbor. It is going to be at least 5 now, and also you can add the minimum size. Okay, so minimum size is going to be about 30 to 30. Okay, you can change this. For me right now it is this one. So when we open the webcam, okay, when we see the face, it is time to display some kind of rectangle, okay, around the detected faces. So how can we do that? For doing that, I'm going to use a for loop. Here I have x, y, and w and h here. These are for x, y, and weight, and also the height, okay, in faces. So here let's use cv2 dot rectangle and give the frame, okay, and also provide x and y. And here let's have x plus w and then y plus h. After that we need to have 0 comma and then 255 and then 0. So right in here you can add 2 right now. So after doing this, it is time to display the resulting frame. Okay, so I will use cv2 dot imshow, showing the image. So here let's add face detection and then add the frame. Very good. Now that we have this, it is time to exit the loop when a number or something clicked. Okay, if cv2 dot wait key, 1 second, and here use 0 xff. What kind of 0 is that? Is equal to ort. Here I'm going to right now hit Q to quit, okay, and then when the Q is pressed, I will break this. So that is all, okay, and it is time to go release the webcam and close OpenCV window. So let's go and do that. Okay, in here I will have the video capture dot release method and cv2 dot destroy all windows. Perfect. It is done now, and it is time to start running the program. Okay, now I have this window. Let me show you. I have a lot of image here, and I have my phone, using my phone as webcam, and I'm going to run the program now. And when I run this, you see that it open the camera. Now if I switch to other window and then I open this window, you see it is detecting even the images very small, and it's detecting the faces. Okay, it is how live face detections work. Now if I press Q,